This Elantra has a problem when driving after 20-30 minutes. It would not accelerate after driving for a while. And it would turn off randomly as well. It has a P0301 cylinder 1 misfire code. It also has a P0335 crankshaft position sensor code. The first thing I did was check the compression of the motor. Low compression in a cylinder can also cause a misfire. This is the firing order for this engine. This is a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine. Before I checked the compression, I looked for the fuel pump fuse. Removing the fuel pump fuse will stop gas from going into the cylinders. This is what we want to check the compression. We want to crank over the motor like this, but not fill up the cylinders with gas. This is the fuel pump fuse. I removed the fuel pump fuse here. I used a 10mm socket to remove the coil on cylinder 1. I released the connection to the coil like this. I removed the coil. It does not look bad. I used a 16mm spark plug socket to remove the spark plug. Removing the spark plug. My spark plug socket was missing its rubber to hold the spark plug. I used the coil to take the spark plug out. The spark plug does not look bad either. It looks okay. Using my compression tester kit to check for compression. Looking for a similar size spark plug thread fit. This looks like the identical thread to check for compression. Make sure you connect the compression kit tightly. This is how I connected the compression kit. This is how I installed the compression kit into the first cylinder. Once the kit is tight as much as possible by hand. Now we can crank the motor over by starting the car. This is why we took off the gas pump fuse. To crank over the car and not fill the cylinders with gas. Cylinder 1 has 140 psi. I released the pressure and tested the cylinder one more time. The second time testing cylinder 1 is around 130 to 140 psi. The next cylinder was 140 psi. I also tested this cylinder one more time as well. It looks like it's 140 psi again for this cylinder. The next cylinder measured around 135 psi. I tested this cylinder again as well. This same cylinder measured a little bit over 135 psi. About the same psi as the first try. The last cylinder test measured 130 psi. I tested this cylinder one more time as well. The last cylinder measured a little over 130 psi. It measured a little better than the first try. I put back the coils and spark plugs and the fuel pump fuse. This Elantra has low spec compression, but it can still last a long time. Knowing that the P0335 code can cause cylinder 1 misfire, I decided to change the crankshaft position sensor. P0335 code is a problem with the crankshaft position sensor. Bad wiring issue, bad reluctor wheel and ECM issue can also cause P0335 code. This is how I took off the crankshaft position sensor connector. I used a 10mm socket to remove the crankshaft position sensor. Be careful when working under your car. I used jaw locking pliers to take off the crankshaft position sensor. I could not take it off with my hands. It was really tight. You can wiggle it off slowly and carefully like this. Finally, it got loose and I could take it off with my hands. I will leave a link to buy this sensor in the description. If you like this video so far, give it a like. I was able to take off the plastic fastener with a needle nose plier. The new crankshaft position sensor came with its own plastic fastener. I compared the old sensor with the new sensor. They look exactly the same. You can skip to 4:43 of this video if you do not want to see the comparison. I added a little bit of motor oil right here to help the sensor go in smoothly. I used a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to tap in the sensor gently. I hit the flap surface of the sensor right here.
Then I hit this part with the hammer gently. Once it slid in, I used the flathead screwdriver to adjust it.